A warm welcome to all. Now we will see about the case study of the laboratory course Textile Science, and the topic is fabric count, yarn count. Okay. Then yarn count is defined as the number of warp and weft yarns in per inch in the fabric. What is meant by warp yarns? That means length yarns. Length yarns according to the selvage parallel yarns are warp yarns, and the filling yarns, that means crossways yarns, are known as weft yarns. Okay. Then
I actually have a doubt one.
Okay.
So, in first experiment we saw about the pick class method. So,
Yes.
in which industry the pick class method is used?
Industry means in all the industries, no, the fabric is tested by the testing authorities like CITRA, South Indian Textile Research Association, BITRA, Bombay Textile Research Association. Like that, textile research associations are there. There, no, the fabric will be studied each and everything. Type of yarns, thickness of yarns, that means composition, percentage of mixing, then type of the dyes. Like that, in the research associations, no, research industries, research concerns, they will test all these things and they will give the report to the industries to whom they are giving. From that, they will know about the yarn count, type of the material.
What is the purpose of using this template?
This template is used for cutting the fabric. But we have to mark the edges, then we have to cut the fabric. From the specific outline only, we will be able to cut the material now. For this, we are using the templates.
Which fabrics we can use this method?
For raveling method. For raveling method, we will use the thin fabric like nylon, silk, like that very thin fine yarns. No, we will use the raveling methods. Then
What is method count?
count means that number of warp yarns and filling yarns in a per inch in the fabric. See, now we are seeing the cotton material, then silk material, linen material, wool, like satin, like that many varieties of materials are there. In each material, no, the count will vary. For learning this only, we are identifying the count. That means number of warp yarns per inch and number of filling yarns per inch. As I have told already, no, depending upon the type of purpose we are using, the yarns count will be varied.
And what is method fibers?
Fiber means a fundamental unit of a fabric. That means for preparing yarns, no, we have to use the fibers. The fibers, no, there are different varieties of the cotton, wool, silk, like that many rayon, the like polyester, like that many types of fibers are there. By mixing the fibers only, we are preparing and spinning into yarns. Then the yarns are placed warp-wise, that means lengthwise, and then crosswise, placing the loom in the yarns. No, the material will be prepared. Then according to the type of the fabric and thickness of the fabric, we are using the yarns. Okay. The yarns are different types of quality, like absorbency, then flame test, like that. We will identify the fibers before starting the test itself by burning test. While burning, no, by using that flavor of the smell, we will identify whether it is cotton, silk or wool. Then in chemical test, you will be using the chemical by dissolving the fiber, whether it dissolves or it will retain as such. Then they will identify the fiber. Then we will use the microscopic test also. According to the microscopic appearance, we will find out whether it is hairy or clumsy. Like that, we will be able to identify whether it is cotton, wool, linen, like that. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.